everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
I would like your thoughts, feelings on the plan when they implement the new financial system. How do you see it playing out? Lots of love, light, biggest hugs flowing to you.
Some background. I believe that the quantum system has been used for many decades. And I believe it was used off-world first and then brought to the surface here. And the existing financial systems have been integrated into it. Of course, making major changes. And what I mean by changes is authenticity, honesty, no graft, no theft, no ability to do anything, totally transparent. I believe all that is already been built into the system. And as I said earlier, everything is connected to this system already. The BRICS is using a blockchain system as we speak. So you're not hearing a lot about it here, and you will not hear it from the media, okay? They're just absolutely useless. They really are. Why anybody even pays attention to them, I just don't get it anymore. But nonetheless, from alternative sources of news, we are hearing about this. Now, the quantum system is up. The SWIFT system, most of the banking system around the world is no longer even using SWIFT. They're using it as something else. They're using the quantum system. We know that XRP and Ripple is coming online. We know that XLP is coming online. There is Wells Fargo is no longer on SWIFT. What is it called? Oh my God. Brain fart. It'll probably come to me here as I continue to talk. They're using another system already to do transfers. And I'm sure some of you have noticed how quickly your transfers are actually happening. Okay. They're happening at lightning speed now. That's all part of the new system. My understanding is that the last piece is the banks that implement ISO 2022, that when you make a deposit, it's currently on the bank systems, but the bank systems are being mirrored every few seconds by the quantum system. So, but at some point, whenever a deposit is made into the bank, that it'll automatically go into the quantum system, so that for you to do business with the bank, you will have to move money from the quantum system to the bank, to a specific bank account where they will give you interest on your money, like old school. All right. And you can use that money to implement humanitarian projects and programs. But the bulk of your money is not in the bank, it's on the quantum system, of which only you have access to. That's apparently how it's all going to work. Now, many people are being trained on the quantum system. Most commercial lending institutions have just been trained on how to exchange currency. Now, what's interesting about this is that they're not only learning how to exchange foreign currencies, but you can use your foreign currency to buy property here. Let's say here in the United States, you want to buy a house or you want to buy two homes, you can use your Iraqi dinar or your Vietnamese dong or your Zim to purchase properties that way, as opposed to taking it and converting it to USD or USN. You can also use it, because either way, here in the United States, we need a hard currency. At the moment, we don't have a hard currency. Now, yes, they say the USN is being traded. Yes, the I2QD is being traded behind the bank screens, but we're not playing on that field. Okay, it's not a level playing field for we the people yet. So, it's complicated, and I don't know all the pieces. It would appear that some of the pieces are still using the old system, which troubles me. But I have faith that this is all going to work itself out, and it's going to be a truly just system. It would make absolutely no sense that if this was all still deep state, that they would completely out themselves. It makes no sense whatsoever to do that. So I am absolutely trusting that this is going to work out for the benefit of all of humanity. Otherwise, why is everybody else here watching this and assisting when they can and however they can? Why are they bothering? If this is going to remain the way it was, because we just take ourselves out. It's only a matter of time. But that's not why they're here. Okay? I trust in source implicitly, never even question it. And I know that whatever we do, love will follow. That we are following a path of love. That we are following a path of leadership. That we are following a path of redemption. And everything is going to turn out for the betterment and the holistic healing of all of our humanity on this planet, because we represent 22 or 24 different civilizations here. Okay, we're a compendium, both good and bad, of all these other nations, star nations. Okay, this is a big deal. This is a really, really big deal. And I know it'll turn out well. I just don't have all the pieces yet, like everyone else. We're trying to figure it out. We're not far. We're not far. The world needs this changing in the financial system. It absolutely does. Okay, the old system is so broke and so corrupt that its very frequency is a negative, and we have to switch that. We absolutely have to switch that.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.